It's time. Yes, you heard it right. It's time for me to change my ways.
What?
At least for now. For the past 3 years, I've poured my heart into teaching English here on YouTube. I showed up week after week. I built full courses. I answered your comments. I tried to make learning fun, real, and useful. But the truth is, I haven't got the results that I hoped for. At first I thought maybe it's the SEO problem, search engine optimization. So I got to work, fixing thumbnails, rewriting titles, crafting better descriptions, mastering hashtags. I studied the algorithm like my life depended on it. Still, not much changed.
No. Wait.
And like any business, there are ups and downs. But this was like a wall and a dead end. The time, the energy, creativity I've invested just don't match the return. Maybe I'm not cut out for this platform. Maybe this was all just a bad bet. Let's be honest. After everything I've put in, for 3 years, making $100 to $150 a month just isn't sustainable. It's not real money.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
So what's next? Well, thankfully I've built other businesses. I'm not disappearing from YouTube. I'll still teach, but not with the same grind. Not in the same way. From now on, the channel will be more me. Yours truly. What do I mean by this? It means less pressure on me and more purpose. I'll talk about life, about mindset, about self-growth, failure, success, and everything in between. And yes, there will still be English lessons, okay? I haven't forgot about you, but the heart of this channel is changing. Because, let's be honest, if I'm going to make little money from it, I might as well make a meaning to it. I might as well enjoy it, okay? And I know, I wish it didn't have to come to this, but sometimes life deals you a certain hand, and all you can do is to play it the best way possible. And hey, that's the way it is. That's the way it is.